Hello my friends. My name is Chloe. I'm a mom. This is my husband Liam. We have 2 children, Mia and Ethan. Today is Sunday, a special family day. You can listen to us and learn English with our story. It's simple, real, and fun. Our Sunday is full of small adventures. First, we go to the park. Later, we visit the shopping mall, eat lunch, and even watch a movie. At the end of the day, we come back home, eat dinner, and rest together. Yes. But let's not hurry. Let's start from the beginning. The morning. Sunday morning begins with soft light. Our children, Mia and Ethan, are still asleep. They look so calm, but the day is waiting. We open the curtains. Bright sun fills the room. A bright sun. Yes, a bright, beautiful sun. Time to wake them up. We touch their shoulders, whisper, "Good morning." They move slowly, still sleepy, but soon they sit up. Sunday has started. Brushing teeth is always the first step. Brush, brush, brush. Small faces in the mirror. White bubbles around their mouths. They laugh a little. Bubbles. Yes. White bubbles, healthy teeth, fresh breath every day, every morning. And when they finish, we smile and clap softly. Good job. Well done, we say. Breakfast is simple. Toast for Mia. Toast with strawberry jam. Cereal for Ethan. Cereal with cold milk. Sweet toast. Yes. Sweet toast with jam. Cold milk. Crunchy cereal. Cold fresh milk. We eat together slowly. Happily. Family breakfast. Warm and quiet. Mia puts on her jacket. Small arms, bright smile. Ethan struggles with shoelaces. Long shoelaces. Always a little problem. Shoelaces. Yes. Long shoelaces. I help Mia. Liam helps Ethan. Together we get ready. And soon we are done. Ready to go out. On the way, we see flowers. Yellow flowers by the fence. Beautiful flowers. A big brown dog runs across the street. The children point at it. Their eyes are wide. Dog. Yes, a big dog. Run, run, run. The dog goes fast. Birds sing in the trees. The street is calm. Mia loves the swing. She moves back and forth. Hair in the wind. Ethan climbs the stairs to the slide. He goes up then down again and again. Small birds pick breadcrumbs on the ground. Small birds, small bread. Life in the park is simple. We sit on a bench side by side. A cup of tea in my hands. A soft wind, a warm sun. The children are happy. And when they are happy, we are happy, too. I love Sundays. Yes, Sundays are the best. After the park, we get into the car. Mia and Ethan sit in the back. They are quiet for a moment, then smile when music starts. Soft music. Yes, a happy song. The road is calm. I say today is our family day. And family day feels special. We drive together, all four of us, side by side. The shopping mall is bright and busy. Lights shine. Shops are open. People walk everywhere. The children look around, eyes wide. But first, we think of food. It's almost lunch. We walk upstairs to the food court. The food court is full of choices. Pizza, burgers, noodles. But we choose something simple, something healthy. Rice with vegetables, chicken with soup. Yes, healthy food. Not too heavy, not too sweet, just right for lunch. I put rice on Mia's plate. White rice, warm and soft. I give Ethan some soup. Hot soup, gentle steam. The smell is nice. The taste is simple. I take a sip of soup. Warm and fresh. We eat slowly. We talk a little. Healthy food makes a strong body. I say and I repeat, yes, strong body, healthy family. We drink water, not soda. Clear, fresh water. A simple choice, but a good choice. After eating, we walk around bookstores, clothes, toys. The children look with curious eyes. We tell them, look with your eyes. They smile and nod. Sometimes looking is enough. At the bookstore, Mia stops. She looks at picture books. Bright colors, big animals. Ethan sees a toy car. He picks it up, then puts it back. His eyes shine, but he understands. We don't buy much, but the joy of looking, the joy of sharing, is enough. Now it's time for the movie. A family movie, safe and fun. We buy tickets. We stand in line. Many families are waiting, too. The posters are big and colorful. The children look up at them. Movie? Yes, movie. I whisper. Their faces light up. Of course, we buy popcorn. Warm popcorn. Crunchy and salty. The smell of popcorn is everywhere. The children hold their small boxes. I hold a cup of water. We walk into the dark room. The big screen shines. Music begins. Pictures move. The story starts. Mia leans on her chair, eyes wide. Ethan holds his popcorn tight. Sometimes I look at them more than the movie. Their smiles are bright. Their eyes shining. The room is full of laughter, soft voices, and the sound of the movie. We sit together. No words needed, just family, just joy. 2 hours later, the lights come on. We walk out. The children are smiling. They look happy, excited, happy faces. Yes, a good movie makes us laugh, makes us dream. Mia points to the poster again. Ethan holds my hand. They don't say much, but their eyes are full of stories for us. That is enough. Evening comes. The house is calm. I cut apples, bananas, soft bread. I pour warm milk into 2 small cups. Simple food, light food. Mia, Ethan, come here, I call softly. Small feet run to the table. They sit down quietly. Apples are sweet. Bananas are soft. Bread with butter melts in the mouth. They eat slowly. They drink milk. Warm milk. Gentle milk. Snack time is short but happy. After eating, we sit on the carpet. The children play. Blocks go up, towers rise, then towers fall. A doll rides in a toy car. Laughter fills the room. We smile. We watch. The evening is soft. Then we say, clean up. Clean up. Small hands pick up toys. Slowly, carefully, one by one, blocks go into a box. Dolls go on the shelf. Cars line up. The floor is clear again. Clean room, quiet room. Story time begins. I open a book with colors and animals. We sit close on the bed. The children lie under blankets. I read slowly, page by page, word by word. Small eyes follow the pictures. They blink slowly. The cat sleeps. The dog sleeps, I say. And soon our children also close their eyes. I tuck the blanket around their shoulders. I kiss their foreheads. I whisper good night. Good night means love. Good night means peace. The children breathe softly. They sleep. We sit together side by side. The day is finished. From morning to night, we were with them. Park, lunch, movie, evening at home. A full day. A family day. A Sunday to remember. I smile. I whisper, thank you for today. I nod. Yes. Thank you, my friends. This was our Sunday, a day with family from morning to night. I hope you enjoyed it and learned some English words with us. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being here. Please like, share, and subscribe and write a comment to tell us about your Sunday. See you next time.